We're here in the Netherlands attending some meetings, but we never run out of time to recognize an installation for Show Us Your Pipes. And we've got a doozy for you this week. Matthew, what do we got? You always do the intros?
So NTI posted this because they also thought it was an incredible installation. Schaefer Plumbing and Heating, Jay with several Y's, the plumber, was the one who posted this originally. He's doing incredible work. Obviously, look at this stuff. Diamond plate.
And the cherry on the top. We've got neon lights in different colors.
Yeah.
Purple are your favorite colors.
Yeah, I wonder if there's a DMX controller in that basement changing. Somebody's doing a light show like a freaking Fish concert down there.
If they did that, they get extra credit on top.
I mean, just look, this is obviously supreme work, but also incredible attention to detail and kind of like swag and flair. I mean,
Absolutely. The other thing too, they both the intake and the exhaust was done in Centrotherm. That's always a nice plus. Always pays to be safe.
Yeah, incredible installation. Jay the plumber, Schaefer Plumbing and Heating.
Good luck,
Yeah, Show Us Your Pipe for July.
July.
Thanks so much.